Mobile technologies. In today's world, the mobile has become one of the basic need of a person. From in the morning getting up until he goes to bed, the mobile stays with him. It is one of the basic need. When the person gets up, it has been a need to see where it is. If it is not there, so our mind gets stuck there only at that place till we don't get or don't find. And nowadays you can see the use of social networking sites, WhatsApp and all that. People are connected through that only. Because according to the problems which are being faced by the country, mobile has become the home and the whole world for the user. So mobile technology is technology that goes where the user goes. Correct now? So we can say our world today lies in mobile. The whole world lies in mobile. And it's correct also, I think so, because whatever we want to search, simply sitting at home we can search. We can see the weather, we can see the location, we can search for the data and information, download music, videos and all. So we can say mobile is world for the maximum people of the world, and it is about more than 90%, I guess, because in villages, cities, everywhere the mobiles are available. There are networks, towers set up for the better signal, and I think so almost there are 10 plus mobile companies which are working in India. Mobile technology is exactly what the name implies. Technology that is portable. Portable means which can be carried out anywhere with the user. Wherever the user goes, it can be carried out with. Like earlier times, the landline phones were used that you cannot carry out of your homes. And after that, GSM and CDMA mobile phones came, which made our work easier, that could be carried from one place to another. Actually, the word mobile means that can show movement, that can move from one place to another, and it is being done by the another source that we know. Means that is the meaning of word portable. Examples of mobile IT devices include laptop, tablets, and netbook computers, because these can be carried wherever the user, the PC user, is going. Or you are having the mobile, then you can carry it with you. And this all is made possible because it has a number of applications which can be accessed only by mobile phones, like internet, studying, YouTube, messaging, calling, apps, payments. All these things can be managed from a mobile phone. So that's why we can say it has become the world for the user. Having a mobile has become one of the basic necessities. As I told you, from morning to evening, we are with our mobile only. Even our mobile remembers us or not, but we will surely not forget. Wherever we go, we get forgets very fast. It comes to our mind. Through text and messages, we get connected to the people. So what are its advantages or benefits we can talk it about? Higher efficiency and productivity of staff, the quality and flexibility of service you offer your customers, the ability to accept payments wirelessly, increased ability to communicate in and out of the workplace, greater access to modern apps and services. And now because of these applications only, we can perform a lot of work on our mobile. Mobile technology improved people's lives in many different aspects. Firstly, it makes people become much closer with each other through texting, social networking sites or applications, video or voice phone calling, and any other social activities like the Facebook, which is very popular throughout the world. And I think so every person, maximum number of the people are connected through it. So in our syllabus, the contents are regarding SMS, MMS, 3G and 4G. So here we will talk about SMS and MMS. What are these applications and when they got generated first? So SMS means short message service, and everybody knows that. SMS, that is short message service, is a text messaging service component of most telephone, internet and mobile device systems. The protocols allowed users to send and receive messages up to 160 characters when entirely alphanumeric. Alphanumeric means alphabets and numbers. So the messages which could be sent before, they can have the limit up to 160 characters. So the protocols allowed users to send and receive up to 160 characters. This was in the earlier time era when the mobile phones came to and from GSM mobiles. So we can define SMS as SMS firstly stands for short message service, and it is a text messaging service component of most telephone, internet and mobile device systems. And nowadays when we are not able to contact on calling, so what we do, we leave a text so the person may read and understand that now he cannot talk or he's in some trouble or needed some help. So like that, text messaging is very useful also. It is one of the most important application which came with the mobile phones which came earlier, because they had the message character limit up to 160. The protocols allowed users to send and receive messages of up to 160 characters to and from GSM mobiles. By the end of 2010, SMS was the most widely used data application with an estimated 3.5 billion active users, or about 80% of all mobile phone subscribers. So you can see if the 80% of the people are subscribers by 2010, messages are sent to a short message service center, that is SMSC. SMSC stands for Short Message Service Center, which provides a store and forward mechanism. It attempts to send messages to the SMSC's recipients. If a recipient is not reachable, the SMSC queues the message for later retry, and means if you are sending a message and due to some network problem it is not being sent. So what happens, it gets in pending, but after some time, within a hour or 2 hours or within a day, it gets delivered. Correct, it happens in mobile recharge also sometime. When we do in an hour or 2 hours, it gets activated, and sometime it gets immediately if the networks or the server is not busy. And that server which is based on SMSC, that is Short Message Service Center. The next is MMS. It is a multimedia message which is being sent by the mobile phones. Multimedia messaging service, that is MMS, sometimes called multimedia messaging system, is a communications technology developed by 3GPP, that is third generation partnership project, that allows users to exchange multimedia communications between capable mobile phones and other devices. So if we talk, when the mobile phones came, first SMS started, then MMS. MMS includes pictures, videos, audio. These all can be sent. But when the mobile phones came new, the storage or the sending capacity was very low. That was 5 MB or 10 MB maximum it could be sent. And the servers were also not good. But today we can exchange a large data and a huge amount of files also over a medium, and we can transfer it from one place to another easily. So now we say that the technology is much more improved from the earlier time as the people were using them. So there was not fast network, there were not 3G or 4G mobile phones, but today we have a good network system, and we are all surrounded by a number of rays crossing us every second, every minute. A common application of MMS messaging is picture messaging, which is the use of phone cameras to take photos for immediate delivery to a mobile recipient. So what happens now, you know everybody, that we can send a big files also, that is about 1 GB, 2 GB or more also, easily on a network. But earlier these file size was approximate between 5 to 10 MBs only. So you have to pick out the information, you have to collect the information about the first mobile phones, when came and what features do they have, and when the SMS got started, in which year. Second thing about the MMS, when the application came, what are its features, and where it was launched first and in which year. So like this type of MCQ questions can be asked in your examination. An extension to the short message service, that is SMS protocol. MMS defines a way to send. This is the definition of MMS. MMS defines a way to send and receive almost instantaneously wireless messages that include images, audio, and video clips in addition to text. So this is a short discussion over the mobile technologies, because we have a lot to talk over them, because nowadays everybody is surrounded by mobile only. The networks, the rays, they are passing through us, and we are getting a good network because the network towers are set up. But these are influencing our nature a lot, but who is thinking about that? So we will talk about more advantages and disadvantages of mobile technologies in our next video, and hope so you got the meaning of mobile technologies. And surely you go through this video and all the text which is provided here, because these might be asked in your examination also, because this is one of the topic which is included in your syllabus, like in the form of true and false, fill in the blanks, or short answer type question, or answer in one word. So like that, questions can be prepared from the text or the contents which are provided in the videos or the PDFs. So you go through them properly and try to get the mean, and learn the spellings also properly, because that error can also be checked. Thank you.